Alright, so what are we doing?
Winter prep.
Winter prep. So what we're doing today, Jabe, is, let's see if I can zoom in on you, your grumpy face. We're simply peeling back the mulch here, and we're going to add a layer of compost to revitalize the soil. This was tomatoes and beans and beets and carrots. And here was peppers and cabbage, and there's a little purple cabbage right there. Still hanging on. And this entire bed's going to be excavated and turned into an asparagus bed. Right now we got broccoli going in it. We also have a mole that we're about to poison. It's the mycelium, and there's a network of it that runs underground in fields and forests, and what it does is it interconnects and it breaks down nitrogen for the root system. And then it tells what trees need help, what trees don't need help, and what plants do or don't. Because it's a symbiotic relationship. And they get the, I don't know what they get. They get air or something that they need from the roots. And the plants get what they need from the fungus. So it's a really good sign when you got this white stuff going on in here. And this is what we are top dressing our garden beds with. Finished compost. And we dumped a whole lot of little red wigglers in there too. And we're going to add a little bit of this old potting soil. So we're filling some grow bags, turning the compost. We just added fresh right over here. There's our leaf mold.
Hey, Dad, remember that tree over there where it made all the things we could eat? What are they called?
The what?
The tree what knocked down.
The mulberry tree?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
that one will still make mulberries.
okay, good.
Yeah.
But we're not going to get them anymore because the other one was close to the roof and we could pick them off the stand on the roof and pick them off the branches on the roof.
So you want to fill them up all the way.
Okay.
It'll be fine. But they're going to need all the dirt. Whenever they hit a wall in the cloth, the root dies. So it'll kind of consume everything that's in there.
What are we going to plant in there?
Peppers. And maybe a tomato or something.
Well, I would want to plant them in the back.
Doing a little carrot harvest, and we're gonna cold frame these broccoli up. Yeah, in the freezing cold. It's about to get really cold here in Oklahoma. So you got some good helpers.
Always helpers in the garden.
Yeah. No, don't eat the top. Eat the bottom.
You can't eat that, it's too hard.
Oh, Mom says don't eat any of it.
But you can play with it.
He didn't like it.
This tastes like dirt.